Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. So on the Bonk chart, the price has moved a little bit higher, but so far, well, after yesterday's update, the price pushed a little higher, but could not sustain above the 138% extension. Looking at the yellow wave count here, this is the bullish perspective. Price reacted to various support levels recently. The larger box several times, and then here the smaller support zone for this particular pullback that happened on the 13th of July, 12th and 13th of July, Friday, Saturday, and since then the market has been going higher. We are dealing here with, in the yellow wave count, at best, a diagonal pattern. These cannot be trusted, but I'm obviously tracking this as long as we're holding certain support levels, because we give the bulls the benefit of the doubt. Why do we do that? Because, first of all, we are still in a bullish market, but then also because the initial rally between April and May, so the mid of April low to the end of May high, was a 5-wave move, so we can call that potentially bullish. Then we have a pullback into a support zone, Fibonacci support for a wave 2. The price reacted, potentially bullish. We haven't broken above that wave 1 high. That's the next step, and that is at 443,640. But then, you know, we've been holding this micro support area, and we're forming higher highs, higher lows. There's, you know, that's why I'm bullish, and it's, you know, the right decision. Obviously, at some point that might change, and it will change when we break support. And the analysis tells us what is support. So the price is now. Oh yeah, the other reason was the third wave in yellow there, which would be probably wave 3 of a larger wave 1. I haven't labeled the whole thing, but if a larger degree wave 2 bottomed here in June, then we're in the larger third wave, which would be up there somewhere, around 1239566. But obviously this is also a 5-wave move, and we might be working just on wave 1 of that third wave. And that wave 1 is also a 5-wave move. So again, you don't need to understand all of that in detail. It just gives us a roadmap that we can follow. And we know, you know, based on that roadmap, we will know quickly when it fails, or if it fails, you know, once it fails, it has failed, and so on. And where the support levels are. What are the levels for risk management? So we wanted a third wave to be a viable and realistic third wave to reach the 1.38 extension of the initial 1-2 setup. That was here at 317.525. It's been 5 to 5. It's been reached. So any pullback below this green trend line could now indicate the start of wave 4, which is defined between 231,800 and 267,992. As soon as we see a pullback into that area, this could be an opportunity for a 5th wave to start. But any break below it would mean that we've topped in 3 waves, which would mean make the entire chart less clear and difficult. So for now, I'm tracking higher as long as we're holding 231,800. The trend line would be a first signal that the pullback has started. But as long as we don't even break the trend line, there's absolutely no signal that a pullback has started. So the trend line would be, in my view, the first signal, coupled with a break below yesterday's low at 291,813 would be an even better signal. For now, I mean, I think it's starting to try to form a top here, like Bitcoin as well, but we haven't got a top confirmation, so it might still it keeps the door open for higher. And if there is another upside extension, then it could take it to 349,835 next, maybe 374,602. It wouldn't be unusual in the third wave. And I think it's all about watching for the next pullback, and when it happens, it could be the next opportunity for a pullback trade. That's my update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.